What's going on, guys? Markie Williams, and here I put together a tutorial in regards to building maintenance. It's going to cover everything from preventive maintenance, boiler, HVAC, testing equipment, leaky pipe repairs, and so much more. But first, let's get through this intro. What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial, and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. In this 14-hour Building Maintenance and Management series package, you will learn the overall building maintenance principles of keeping an establishment in tip-top condition. With 27 courses to go over, I will go over some of them just to keep the length of the video down. Another cool thing is, within the 27 courses, you can also pick and choose which certification you want to take. In this course, you will learn the basics of HVAC systems, their maintenance and operation. This chapter also covers problems and solutions for window-mounted units along with preventive maintenance. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify routine preventive maintenance tasks to be performed on HVAC units, describe common problems and their causes for HVAC units and how to prevent them, explain the basic refrigeration cycle, identify routine preventive maintenance tasks to be performed on window-mounted units, and also describe solutions to problems common to window-mounted units. This course covers the purpose of building codes and facility security, the identification of sections of a facility that has specific code requirements, and defines the role and description of a facility manager. You will also learn to identify types of physical security measures used to prevent unauthorized access to a facility and create and discuss plans related to preparing for a natural or man-made disaster. By the end of this course, you will be able to describe and explain the purpose of a building codes, identify sections of a facility that have specific code requirements and why, identify types of physical security measures used to prevent unauthorized access to a facility. Here you will learn cleaning procedures as well as cleaning, supply, storage, and management. In this chapter, you will learn how to describe methods for cleaning facility common areas, describe general procedures for cleaning an elevator, describe general procedures for cleaning pools and pool decks. This course also explains how the control system will react when it experiences certain flame loss conditions, along with the importance of keeping a history troubleshooting log for the equipment. By the end of this course, you'll be able to explain the functions of the flame safeguard system, describe a typical boiler management control sequence of operations, identify switches and controls commonly used within interlocking circuits of boilers, describe how the control system responds to the following flame loss condition: no pilot flame, pilot lit with no main flame, and the loss of flame. In this chapter, you will learn the many different types of clogs and how to fix them. This will range from clogged floors, sinks, and lavatory drains. This course provides an introduction to preventive maintenance and its advantages of having a maintenance schedule. This course also covers preventive maintenance programs and computerized maintenance management systems. You will learn some of the following: the purpose of preventive maintenance, the advantage and benefits of preventive maintenance, describe the implementation of preventive maintenance programs, and describe computerized maintenance management system. Here in this course, you will learn how to repair leaky pipes and know when to replace them. This includes toilets and urinals. You will learn what type of piping to use, whether it's PCV or metal. As I mentioned prior, this certification course covers way more than what I've mentioned in this tutorial. You also have the option to take either the full course or pick and choose which certification you personally need. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You could also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. Many thanks. Hope to see you at the next tutorial. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.